Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up a PlayStation account and subscribe to PlayStation Plus for online gaming and free monthly games, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Turn on your PlayStation console. If this is your first time, the setup wizard will guide you through initial configuration, including language and network settings. Step 2. When prompted to sign in, select Create New Account to begin the PlayStation Network account registration process. Step 3. Enter your date of birth. This information is required for age verification and cannot be changed later, so enter it carefully. Step 4. Provide your personal information, including your email address, which will be your PlayStation Network ID login username. Step 5. Create a secure password for your account. PlayStation requires a password with at least 8 characters, including letters and numbers. Step 6. Choose your online ID, which is your gamer tag that other players will see. Pick something appropriate, as it may be difficult to change later. Step 7. Complete the account setup by verifying your email address. Check your email for a verification message from PlayStation and click the link provided. Step 8. To subscribe to PlayStation Plus, go to the PlayStation Store on your console. Navigate to the PlayStation Plus section and select the subscription tier you want: Essential, Extra, or Premium. Enter your payment information and complete the purchase. Your PlayStation Plus membership will be active immediately, giving you access to online multiplayer, monthly free games, and exclusive discounts based on your chosen tier. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.